Viewers, well, I'm just cleaning up and restoring this Apollo AP400 radio. I see it's a highly collectible model. From 1981 this was made. I just finally got around to cleaning it up. Haven't received much on it yet. There's not much activity at all around here on the Citizens Band. Bugger all. I just realised there's a component missing there and in here. So it's got S, G1, G2, and it's got D16 or something. Looks like they're four pin components that were there. I can't find a schematic for this thing. I don't know if they're transistors or some sort of crystals. There could be some sort of crystals, but this thing receives, and it worked with this one. I could receive with it. I wonder if that's part of the transmission circuitry to transmit. That's what was faulty in this thing. If someone could get a schematic for this thing for me, I can go from there, but the components that go in there and one that goes in there is missing in this radio. They've been desoldered. So if I could find out what they actually are, what they specify the schematic, if I can get a schematic and it specifies what they are, then it'd be great, and I could try and source some replacements for it. I'll try to have a go at fixing this myself. This is a very well built CB radio, one of the best of its type at the time, and a very collectible one by today's standards. I have to clean up all this switch because I had to tap it to get the number of segments to work properly on that screen. Half the segments aren't working. I had to tap the top of it to get it to become good again all the time. So they're being removed either for some sort of a mod or just faulty. So one there and one there. Just those two components have been taken out. If I can get a replacement of those, it'd be really good. I'd really love to get this thing back 100% functional again. I've also taken the time to wash this. It's filthy. I gave it a good scrub. Just so dirty. Incredibly dirty. Just filthy. I'll probably be next at some stage. Later on though. The FM320 is also up there too. There's Philips. These are also highly regarded, so I want to clean that up and get that all working properly. We've got the power supply for them now, so we've also got this one. This is fine, there's nothing wrong with that, I can't get anything on that either. As I said, there's no activity on the fan nowadays, so I'm going to pull this all apart, gut it, and just wash this plastic casing up. Clean it right up, it's just filthy. I really love this thing to work original. So whatever those components were, I want them. They are so certainly not in here, that's for sure. Let's get the original ones that were in there. This was something else. This was someone else's job. That's for a different radio though, not for that Apollo one. Yeah, this is all more modern. See, that Apollo is from 1981. This one's a more modern one. Yeah, the components are not in there at all. They are MIA, those components. So I would love to get those tracked down, the original ones, or what the modern equivalent, but I'm pretty sure you won't find one whatever they were. They're not, I don't think they're transistors, they've got 4 pins and not 3. Probably some sort of crystal or something. But anyway, thanks for watching.